Welcome to HBU Services. Let's get started. First, open the zip file that contains the Washington Sender setup. Double-click the setup file to launch the installer. Now, simply click Next. Then Next again to proceed with the default installation settings. Once the installation is complete, close the pop-up window. You'll now see the Washington Sender icon on your desktop. Double-click to open it. As the software starts, it will ask for an activation key. You will see an activation code after installation. Copy that code and send it to HBU Services and request for activation key. HBU Services provides you an activation key. Once you receive your activation key, paste it in the box below where it says provide your activation key here. Then click on Activate Now. Congratulations! Your software is now successfully activated. You can also check expiry date when in this video. And that's it. Washington Sender is ready to use. For any help or support, feel free to contact HBU Services 9,231,336,713,830. Thanks for watching and happy messaging!